broadcast or cable system has issued administrative message for the following counties or areas. Virginia Beach, Virginia. At 1:16 p.m. on January 10, 2026, effective until 4:16 p.m. The Virginia Beach Police Department is seeking the community's help in locating Dwight Fuller. Dwight is a black male, 66 years old, 5 feet tall, 170 pounds, bald with brown eyes. He was last seen wearing a blue puffy jacket, blue jeans, blue Vans shoes and a navy blue hat. Dwight was last seen by a family member on January 9, 2026 at 2:50 p.m. at the BP gas station on Princess Anne Road at Baxter Road. Dwight is deaf and nonverbal. Dwight is believed to be endangered. If anyone has seen Dwight or has any information to his whereabouts, please contact Virginia Beach Police Non-Emergency at 757-385-5000 or Missing Persons Detective at 757-385-4101.